Now that you've decided to get serious about art school, you have to think about what to include in your art portfolio, which can be overwhelming, leaving you with a lot of questions. For instance, should there be a theme that runs throughout your work? What media and techniques should you use? How can you demonstrate traditional skills while still being original? And how do you approach a new project or medium? We've helped countless aspiring visual artists make successful art portfolios over the past 18 years, so we've answered these questions for you. This advice will help you create a portfolio that showcases your technical, creative, and conceptual abilities and separates you from other applicants. Question 1. Should there be a theme that runs throughout your work? And how do you find that theme? Students who get into the top art programs and win scholarships in art competitions are the ones who submit 10 to 15 pieces for their art portfolio that look like they belong together. They exhibit a cohesive and unified aesthetic. Each piece within the portfolio should complement and enhance the others. Choose a central theme or thread that aligns with your personal interests and artistic vision. This theme can encompass various subjects from relationships and fashion to poetry, current events, or specific objects. It can also be more visual than literal, such as consistent colors, materials, repetition, or the exploration of the self. The strongest portfolios, particularly those that are recognized for scholarships, effectively combine both subject matter and visual threads. Next question. What media and technique should you use? You may believe you should choose pieces where you use the medium you are best at. However, admissions teams seek candidates with diverse skills and a broad range of artistic techniques. To showcase your creativity and your interest in experimentation, incorporate a variety of mediums and techniques in your art portfolio. Also, include work that focuses on the field you're applying for. Creating this work will show admissions you have serious interest in the profession. Basically, it's wise to carefully select pieces that align with your direction as a creator. Make pieces from various mediums and showcase your desired trajectory. Also, include observational work. This is important because it demonstrates to admissions a level of mastery of fundamental art skills. Question 3. How do you demonstrate traditional skills and still be original? Make art that's about you, your interests, and/or your vulnerabilities. When making decisions about who to accept into their programs, schools often have to choose from candidates with similar backgrounds, so you have to make your creativity shine in distinct ways. Observational work for your art portfolio is important to show your technical skills, but you should seek to make the pieces interesting, inventive, and unique. So it's crucial to show your technical expertise in your portfolio, but it's equally important to include work that highlights your storytelling abilities and who you are. Another question is, how do you approach a new project or medium? Ashcan art students create an opposites list where you list your likes and your dislikes. This is a great and fun way to list what you are personally interested in and have strong feelings about. You can also write down your favorite and least favorite location, your favorite book or story, your fears or phobias, and what your favorite foods are. See this list as valid and interesting and as something you can bring to life in creative form. Something will jump out to you as more interesting than others. Choose one to start with. Then expand on that idea. Research images and think in multidimensional ways. Finding out more about things that interest you gives them purpose, and everything you do should be done with purpose. Take notes on what you found and make sketches of ideas if you have them. Write down possible materials. The more time you spend preparing, the better the outcome and the final piece will be, but also be flexible because new ideas may arrive. Then make 3 to 5 sketches on the same idea and decide what is best compositionally, ideally with feedback from a teacher or a mentor, and decide on the medium or materials you will use. Then you'll be ready to move on to your portfolio piece. How do I choose the order of my art portfolio pieces? Once you've made a lot of work for your portfolio, choose your best work. The arrangement of your portfolio pieces is important and serves as a testament to your presentation abilities and thought process. You can facilitate a deeper comprehension of your work's narrative for admissions counselors. The quality of documentation affects the perceived quality of your work. Have them taken professionally if you can, and make sure your work is hung flat and straight. Show it to your friends or mentor, and with their advice, choose the best for the first and the second for the last. Make a lot of work so you can choose from the best ones and make sure to arrange your pieces to create a narrative. Group related works together or create a logical progression to enhance the visual story. Making an art portfolio often leads to critical self-reflection and assessment of your work. However, it's natural for personal perceptions that potentially limit your judgment. To gain a fresh perspective and expand your understanding of your portfolio, seek guidance and feedback from an art teacher or mentor. You can also join an art portfolio course at private schools like Ashcan Art or attend a program at your local school. Even better, one of the schools you plan to apply to. Ashcan Art offers pre-college portfolio preparation courses year-round. Learn more about our courses at ashcanart.com and see accepted art portfolio examples on Instagram at ashcan.art. And please subscribe below for more art portfolio tips.